Hey, Philly. One.
Mama here.
For the bomb.
Mama? Mama? Otoka. Hey!
Hey, Philly. I knew you were coming home. So, I prepared it specially for you.
No.
Do I bring more soup?
Mama, no.
Mama.
Let me finish this one first.
Nah, eat it. Eat it. I don't even know if you eat in that city. Even if you do, it will be as nice as this my soup. Maka ejimo peyin saka. Sie di ofe. When I need share.
Mama, as long as you're concerned, it's only pot belly that shows we eat well in Lagos. But let me tell you something. These days, young men doesn't go with pot belly. And I was also and gym.
Gyms. See, one can get a wife. Get a wife so that she will feed you very well. You see all these your fitted gyms. Yeah. It won't fit you again. Where did you get your feet again? Emma, where's this girl? Oh my God. Mama, you called me. Is it now that you heard me calling you?
Papa was leading inside.
In a drop.
Mama and my gonna can't get me one.
In a great pencil. Go and look who is at the gate. In a great pencil. Mama and my drop. I feel going to go out walk again. Let me get soup for you.
Let me finish this one.
You get it, chakwa boy, Wema.
Go one.
Good afternoon.
Please, I want to see your brother.
Yeah, he's in. You're welcome.
Good afternoon.
How is your mother? I have not seen her in a while.
My mother has not left the house now for days. Our arthritis is back.
Oh. Wanyi bemo. Ndo. Okonami Onami mabu ikbele mabu uku. Sorry. I want to get ready for the women meeting this evening, when I am coming back and see it, I'll come and sit down. Okay. Come and sit down, bro. Let me get ready.
Okay, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
No. You see, those are the things that comes with old age. All she needs now is proper medical attention.
Yeah, you are right, my brother. She needs medical care. Immediately my sister Oge told me you are back. I ran as fast as I could. I've not felt this relief for a long time.
Obina, my brother, you see, I'm back home for the annual August meeting and women empowerment. I'm back home now. Okay? Please, wash your hand and join me. And eat. Yeah? Wash your hand, good.
Thank you, my brother. Well, it's not food that has brought me here. It's a matter of life or death.
What is it? What happened?
I would have waited for tomorrow just to allow you rest for the long journey. Mana, Dikeh for your career.
Obi, stop speaking in riddles. Talk to me. What is it?
All through the night, my husband and I did not close our eyes, not talk of sleeping.
Why? What happened?
My mother.
Your mother did what?
That woman cried the whole night. Even if I'm speaking with you now, she's tossing and turning in pain. The arthritis is getting out of hand.
Why is she still at home? Why not hospital?
It's money. Ego Adira.
Wait.
As I am now, I don't even have 2,000 naira in my name. People are tired of lending me money. Even the nurse that come to treat her refused to come now for a week because I'm owing her. Business is bad.
Obi, are you trying to tell me that it's money that is depriving you from taking your mother to the hospital?
The most painful part is that the trader that are owing me money are refused to pay. Look, I don't mind selling my plot of land to you just to take my mother to the hospital.
Obi, it has not gotten to that. Okay? I am going to give you money right away to take your mother to the hospital. In fact, right now you're going to call what's his name again? Donatus, the taxi driver, to take you and your mother to the hospital and tell him to come and collect his money once you are back. Okay? I'm giving you some money now to take your mother to the hospital. Yeah. No, stand up.
Thank you once again. Thank you, my brother.
I don't like what you're doing.
Thank you.
Just go and take your mother to the hospital now.
Thank you, I will.
Okay?
Thank you. Hey, thank you.
Demma,
Brother.
what course did you register this year for JAMB?
Brother, I applied for nursing this time around. I am tired of applying for medicine every year without luck. I'm tired.
Yeah, Diego. Yeah. I guess of as if she ever gets up to the cut-off mark. Every year, she will take jump, but she can never get up to the school cut-off mark. I don't even know what you do in that school. What do you do in exam hall? Is it if you go into exam hall, you leave your own paper and start helping others?
Mama, you know I always try my best during exams. You know that. Mama, check and work. I think God is trying to tell me that medicine is not for me. Mama, medicine is not for me. After 3 whole attempts, 3. Thank God I have found my new passion in nursing.
Don't mind Mama, okay? Don't mind her. We all know that you study very hard.
Thank you, brother. Mama.
Don't mind me. Oh, do not mind me. I have watched you in this house toil for the past 3 years to make sure you secure admission in medicine. Don't worry. If you get this year, it's just Bakam in Wetia. Do not mind our corrupt system in the universities. Don't mind our corrupt systems. Do you know that Eunice, my friend, her son got admitted into the state university to study medicine with a lower score than Chidima's own? I'm telling you. What? Don't you know Eunice again?
I do.
She won't lie to me. She showed me everything. Oh, wow. Everything. Wallow me on top.
Then,
It's all about. Did you quit?
in that case, I'll start making arrangements for you to school the best university in the West.
Ask.
Yes, don't even think of killing your plans or your dreams because of one nonsense, what do they call it?
Corrupt system.
Yes, corrupt system.
Hey!
Brother, that I'm going to attend private university. Hey! Brother, Imechego mi henini gemem no wa. God bless you. Ah, God, go see where what are you in? Imechego mi henini gemem no wa. Chimo.
No. I'm so glad to hear this. I heard that those universities are very expensive.
It is, but...
One more. So, are you still going to settle for nursing?
Maybe Mama, I still want to study nursing. Yes, I have found my new passion in nursing, Mama. I don't want to change my mind. Go down.
Anyway, talking about nursing, I might have found someone.
Hey! Hey, God, I'm so happy for you. Give me a 10. Hey.
My dear,
Hey, Mama.
I am so happy.
Yeah,
So tell me, who is she? Who are her parents? Where did you meet her? Where is she from? Is she beautiful?
Mama,
School.
how many do you want me to answer? You just asked me 20 questions at a time.
Mama, please. I don't even know which one to start answering from because Obidim Sangole.
Mama, it's okay.
Hey, I cannot wait for her to come in and give me lots of grandchildren. I'm going to walk a tent. I'm going to walk a tent.
Mama, did you say lots of grandchildren? Only game more. I pity this our new wife, Sha.
I'm sorry. I'll answer your question, Mama. Mama, her name is Angela. And she's a nurse.
Brother, did you say she's a nurse? Hey! Brother, you kept surprising me. Brother, thank you so much. Get them one idea. I love her already. My senior colleague. Hey!
Mama, she's not anywhere around this place. She's from Anambra State. And you know, her parents are dead. But I met her mother a few times before she died.
From Anambra State?
Yes, Anambra State. Precisely. Mama? Are you okay?
Very much. Yes. You said that this your Angelina is not from our village.
No, Mama. I said from Anambra State, Mama.
Oh.
Yes.
Not from any neighboring communities. Philly, do you think she will conform to our ways? Especially with regards to matrimony.
Mama, please, don't start. Because once again, Angela is everything every man wants and more. Mama, she's calm. She's wonderful. She's focused. She's intelligent. Mama, she's good-hearted. She's a nice person. And above all, Mama, Angela, Mama, she's so beautiful.
But I'm so happy for you.
And she's from Anambra. Philly.
Ma.
I can see your mind is made up. I am happy you are finally settling down. But since you have rejected all the girls your uncles and I found in this village and neighboring communities, did you discuss about our custom?
Mama, see, that shouldn't bother you. Angela is decent and responsible. She's not as some of all these city girls. She's not like that at all. Yes.
You know, we have reasons. Okay, not on your house. You should tell Angela, it's not Angela, about Aloma. It is very important.
Mama, I have not told her, but I know she wouldn't mind because she's not promiscuous.
Me, I won't marry from this village.
My friend,
never. So move at it too much, Mama.
That which you want what I can put in go. Philip, when are you bringing her home?
Oh.
At least let me see her. Mama, you said she's beautiful.
Yes.
I trust you. I'm on name my Fedema. But when is she coming?
That should be by next week. Yes. When should be leave?
Brother, I'm so happy for you. I'm very happy. She's my senior colleague. Eh? I thought it.
Mama, you like that? Very beautiful. God-fearing. Physical woman. My woman. My name.
Kanangulobi.
Kanangulobi. Once I get there, I'm gonna call you. Okay? Get back to you. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, well, it's okay. I'm coming. I'll see you in a jiffy. Okay. Well, later, eh? Okay. Mama? Please do not forget to give Obina the money I gave to you when you get to the hospital, okay? Tell the mother I will see her in my next visit. Okay?
Mana, Philip,
Yeah, Mama?
there's something I want to beg you.
Okay. Now hold on, I'm coming. No, we'll let you there.
Well, thank you so much.
He may be one on one.
I might worry her.
He may be one with
It's
money.
okay.
What does she need all this money for?
It's okay.
Dimma, what?
Mama.
What can
Mama. My pocket is not leaking, Mama. I can hold it.
When you need it, only then I will give her.
Hi, Mama.
We forgive Mama.
Mama, happy good dear. Talk to me. There's no time anymore, okay?
Sorry, my dear. Philip.
Mama?
Pico, I don't have anything against you helping people. In fact, it gives me joy to know that I raise a compassionate young man. But know that if you continue to give people your bricks before you finish building, you might end up not finishing your house. Build your own house first. Afterwards, you can help others to build theirs. Do not help people at your own detriment.
Mama, please do not worry yourself, okay? I know your fears. God has given me money to take care of myself and the people around me. So don't bother yourself. I know what I'm doing. Oh? Mama, please, there's no time. Let me run along. I'll see you. Okay?
But I'm going to miss you.
I'm going to. Mama, happily again. Happily again.
Go open the gate. Oliego.
Mama, remember what I told you, eh?
I will. I will do as you said. Oh, Mom. And you me too much money.
Yes? Up down. I did fine. Welcome back.
Hi, darling.
Hey.
Wait. No.
Don't worry. I've missed you like the air breath.
Oh, really?
I feel like I've missed you forever.
And I missed you more. So how is your mom and your sisters?
Good.
Wow.
Yay! Yeah.
Ouch! Oh my
Sorry.
head.
I'm so excited to see you. I'm so sorry, okay? I hope you've not been starving yourself because you've been missing me.
Really? Does it look like I lost some weight? Oh well, maybe I've been worried about the outcome of your journey.
My journey was fine. But that's okay, okay? Now that you're here, I'll make sure you start eating so you regain some flesh.
You mean like adding weight in the appropriate places?
You're right.
But tell me first, I need to know.
Okay?
What did your family say? I'm a little bit worried. I want them to accept me wholeheartedly.
My family can't wait to see you. If my sister went for you service, and I know she would love you.
Aww. I know she would. Everybody loves me.
Who wouldn't love you?
Nobody.
An angel like you.
Yes, of
a
course.
Beautiful one for that man.
Oh, say more. Say more. Say more. Say more.
Wow. So nice to see you.
Same here.
I've missed you.
And I missed you too. Look who's talking. You miss me.
Yeah.
I thought you said I'm thin as the air.
Now that you're back, I'm here now. I'm gonna feed you. I'm gonna stock you with food. So, whenever I press, I'll be pressing something,
Stop that!
Don't touch meat. Wow.
So tell me, what have you been doing with yourself? Hey, brother, Mama is back! Brother, you're welcome!
How are you?
Really? Brother, you're welcome. You're welcome. Hey, my dear. How are you? Thank you. Welcome, Mother. Thank you, Mama. You are so beautiful. Hi, brother.
That's my mother and my sisters.
It's nice to meet you, Mama.
Nice to meet you too, Mama.
Nice to meet you too.
Ezigbo amino. Bodi ko si amuka dorime. You're welcome. You're welcome to our world. Biam. It follows up. Hey!
Nadia, get it.
Hey! Okay.
Philly, how come you haven't told her about Arioba tradition? Or that you are in the next in line for the throne? These are important issues both of you should have discussed before now.
Mama, I know, but I wouldn't want to scare her with that obsolete tradition. I just want to bring her to this village and see that it's a nice place. And we are not bad people that hate women.
You're supposed to have told her. In fact, tell her this night. See, I like her. She's a nice girl. But I want to know if she will still agree to marry you after hearing about Arioba. It is very important. In fact, tell her this night. Discuss it with her before you go back to the city. And make sure you take her around the village to see the mad women. And know it is no joke. You know, go. Kachifu. Good night.
Yeah, man. I'll see you guys soon. Yeah, I'm chilling in the village, you know. Okay. Well, later now, bye. Babe, as you can see my village is so beautiful and wonderful.
Yes, I have seen lots of beautiful things, especially that building. You know, we passed it the day we were coming.
Yeah.
Who's that?
My cousins and my relatives.
Because everybody just keeps smiling and I'm wondering.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon,
dear. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Are your parents?
All fine, sir.
Okay, I hope you're good, eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, meet me in the evening, eh? Yeah, take care. So I hope you love the atmosphere of this village.
I do, but I'm still wondering, was that made of clay or cement? Because
you're actually loving that house.
I do, and I don't know why.
Hey! So you came back? Yes. Oh my God!
No.
Hey! Hey, my beautiful daughter. Asamoah. Hey, you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
Hey,
Madam Kekime, how are you?
I am fine.
Good.
Hey,
I'll see you people in the evening.
no problem, no problem. My regards to your mother.
Okay, see you here. Thank you.
Wait a minute, babes. Is it just me or is everyone in your village treating you with reverence?
It's you.
Nah, that's a lie. It's not just me. I just saw, I know what I'm saying.
My dear, there's something I've been wanting to tell you for a long time now. But there was never a right time to say that.
You don't like me?
No, my kid loves you.
Hey! Tau! Hey! I'm not Dikeh. Lalau. Well, yeah. Hey! Tau!
Meet me in the evening, eh? No, my people loves you, but there's some things you need to know about my people.
Okay, go ahead. I'm all ears.
Okay, you know, once you're married in this community, there are some certain things you don't do, like adultery. If you're married in this community and you commit adultery, madness, straight up.
Is that what you wanted to talk about and you sounded like we had some big issues? I already know about it. Remember BC,
yes?
my friend, the one that served here? She told me about it.
Excuse me, you knew about it all this while, you never said anything about it to me?
That is because it didn't mean anything to me. Christianity preaches against adultery.
Whoa.
And I have never in my head thought about cheating on you, so why would I talk about it?
Wow, God, I'm so relieved now.
What were you thinking?
At least my mother can go ahead and talk to my uncles, so we can come see your people.
Really?
Yes.
Anyway, I need to get going. I heard Mama saying she's preparing delicate abacha. I don't want to miss any part of it, so we need to go.
I know
I love
you're
that.
happy.
It was so funny.
Beautiful angel now. You're me kill now. Well, I've been looking for your number, Tulu Kulu, I'll be looking for your number. Kuma, you, Gakena. You are here, Yezu. Wallahi, the lie. I will make you very, very comfortable, wallahi. Make you very, very comfortable.
Alaji, what is the meaning of this? Why are you embarrassing me? Why are you following me everywhere?
Me Haka too. Why are you rejecting me, Haka? Eh? Why did you do me like this? Kuma, leave that to your small boyfriend. I will make you comfortable, wallahi.
Alaji, I have said this before and I'm not going to say it again. Stop following me. Moreover, my name is Angela, not Angel. I am not your angel.
Wallahi, ke angel na wallahi. Wallahi na ke angel. Do let me do something for you.
What is it? What's the meaning of this now? Eh? It's not make any meaning of this. Angela!
Just take this one and take good care of yourself. This one is my number. Call me anytime. I will help you. Wallahi ta'ala, I will help you.
And you, leave him alone.
Uchenna.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
My father will be with you shortly.
It's all right. No one.
She actually went to the farm early this morning.
Yes. So what, y'all?
Let me go to the
Nine. Ụtụtụ ọma o.
Ụtụtụ ọma, my dear.
Hey. Hello.
Alarum. No, just this my back ache. That will not allow me to sleep. This morning we have a meeting at the palace. Yet I'm not prepared. Hi.
Ndo. It is the weather that chills the bone and makes it brittle. Nidi Edo.
The cold is something else. Chelo, ne Philip. Imanandi is na. A toad does not run in the daytime without something chasing it. Or the toad is chasing something. What brings you to my house this early? Wanum.
Hey, Nanya. Onum Junekene.
Okay, oh.
I came bearing good news.
Okay. Okay. Tiwenu ako iba obiko. I want to hear.
Philip, my son, has found a bride.
Hi!
He sent message across for you to tell the woman to pick a date so that we'll go and see the bride's people.
Hi! Agunaya! Hey! Wait. Who is this girl that my nephew has seen? Is the father from this community or our neighboring community? Keyo, why is your countenance changing?
No. The girl is not from this village. She's from Anambra State and her parents are dead.
Children of this day, they do the unthinkable thing when you least expect it. Is he not aware the reason we marry from our community and our neighboring communities? We marry because of our custom and tradition and marriage sanctity. Is he not aware of this?
There is nothing he did not say. But I have seen that his mind is made up. Besides, I have seen the girl in question. She's a nice girl.
Oh, Nefilipu, we are not talking about character here. We are talking about our customs and tradition. Onagwamoku character.
You are talking as if I am not aware of all this. Eh? We found not less than 10 girls from different communities around this area and our own village, but he did not accept any of them. I think all we need to do is to support him. He has assured me that there will be no problem. He already told the girl about our Nsani. She accepted.
Anyway, just because you've said that, I will discuss this with Zeliwe and Okezie. So we can now fix a date to see the people. Philip, I am very happy. In fact, I am the most happiest person on earth now. This present marital status of Philip will now take him closer to the throne.
Hey,
Let me also tell you this. Our Igwe is sick. He is preparing to join his ancestors.
What was Hona? On Kenemen.
Opanya.
Hey. Hey, whoa.
Ifla.
Nine. Let me run around.
It's okay.
I'm they're trying to go to. My regards to Ini Edo when she returns from the farm.
I will.
Uchenna told me that she left very early. Call Dikeh?
Oh, this woman, she walks like she's not tired of walking. Eh? Okay, my dear. Ngwajisike o. Fugonu. I will.
What do you think na kwa mechi over?
What a wonderful wedding picture.
Yeah.
But amongst all the pictures that the photographer took, how come he chose this one? That you're more beautiful?
Excuse me. What's that supposed to mean? No, like really. Are you comparing us now? I am a woman, so naturally I should be finer.
At my own detriment, Abby. I think the photographer focused more on you while editing this picture.
That is pretty little bit sunshine. What do you expect? He should actually focus on me.
Yeah, that's nice though. I'm lucky to have a beautiful lady as my wife.
No, I am the lucky one to have you as my husband. Feel nobody can love me the way you do. Trust me.
I'm the luckiest man to have you.
No, I am the luckiest woman to have you. Oh.
Come on.
Thank you.
So relieved the wedding went well.
Oh, yeah? Well, I am too. You know, I felt my uncles, those my main uncles, the one who abandoned my mother and I, would come there to create a scene. But thank God, the security was all tight.
They wouldn't have done anything like that. I would have flinged them out of the hall.
Flinger.
Like the animal they are. What?
I want something.
Come on, say it. I can do anything for you.
I want Cold Stone ice cream, and I want it now.
Then I'll go get it.
Yippee!
But I have to go alone.
Why?
Why?
Yes.
Because I don't want that stupid Alhaji man to set his eyes on you again.
No, but seriously, that Alhaji is an unrepentant goat. I mean, a man that has 4 wives would not let me be. This man has been on my case since last year he met me at the hospital. I don't know what to do with him.
If not for the policemen that are surrounding him, I would have dealt with him.
Delta.
Delta? Okay.
So now you have to run along to go and get me more ice cream because that is exactly what I am craving for right now. Okay. So can I have it?
Okay.
Why are you wasting so much time? You want me to call Alaji to buy me the ice cream?
What did you say?
I said I'll call Alaji to buy the ice cream.
Ice cream cancelled.
Okay, no, that was a joke. No, I was just joking. It's a joke, please. I'm sorry. I won't do that. What's wrong with you?
I'll say that again.
I will never ever say it. It's out of my mouth. So can I get my ice cream now? I will still call Alaji to buy it. I was joking. I was joking. Please. Please, it was a joke. It was a joke. I swear it was a joke.
I'll clean your mouth. I can hear it in your head. You're still saying it.
It's a liar. It's not. I didn't say anything. That was a joke. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Alright. Bye.
I love you, yes, I do. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. Inside of me, I feel you. Your picture is in my heart. When I breathe to you. I hold you so dear in my heart. Every space is occupied with your thoughts, oh my love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love.
Oh my goodness, this girl, come. Let me tell you how it's been done. What is it? Huh? Why won't you allow her to rest? It's either you are touching her hair or you are whispering what I don't know in your ears.
Mama, it's okay. Leave my dream alone for me. We are discussing important career issues. Very important.
Asundu Norson. Obore. How dear. Since she heard that you are a nurse, you are the only topic she discusses. It's either Angela this, Angela that, Angela no nenu, Angela no mama, Angela, Jela.
Leave my wife alone. Let them be. Just let them be. Meanwhile, we went to visit Dikeh today. Mama, just listen to me first. We went to visit Dikeh today, but we met his absence. The chief guard on duty said that he wasn't on seat.
Filio, no one has seen Dikeh in the last 1 week. People are suspecting he's in the hospital. We are hoping he recovers soon.
If only his family can open up, some of us might know the hospital that can take care of him.
Filipiko, do not get involved. To fast in equal. Biko, money mofu. Toko no.
Mama, we have to go and sleep now.
Okay, one more.
No, we are leaving very early in the morning.
Rest.
Babe, come on, let's go.
Filippo, I am beginning to wonder if you married Angela for yourself or for the man.
Okay now.
Everybody. What?
My dear,
Good night.
good night.
Good night.
Mama.
Came down on the wine. Tell her Lola Biko. What came in after the one kept
Mama, she's my senior colleague.
Allow her to rest. Go to school. What is it? Now get me water, Biko.
Hello.
Good day, Mr. Philip. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Good morning. And how are you?
My brother, we thank God. How is your Amalia?
Yeah, she's fine. I've been waiting for a call for a while now. Regards to the shipment I sent you. It's a bill of lading.
Oh, yes. You know, I decided to keep everything business away from you since you are everything is okay. Everything is fine. Like I said, the shipping company just experienced a little delay. But within the week, your containers will be in the wharf.
Yeah, I know I got a bit worried because of the news I've been getting from my friends, about seized containers around. It got me really worried.
No, you don't have anything to worry about. I got you covered. Like I said, enjoy your new wife. I'm making some contact within the circle of the newly installed Control General. Don't worry, I have you covered.
It's okay. I heard of guys, it's very difficult.
My brother, trust Nigerians now. You know one thing with all these government officials, once they have been appointed by the president, they just want to show everybody that can handle the job. They begin to act up. There's nothing to worry about. We know within a few months the government installed transition committee will be dissolved and everything will fall back to business as normal.
I know. I see, that's Naija for you, eh? That's all. It's okay. Just let me know when the ship docks so I can make the refund.
I'll do just that, okay? My regards to your wife.
Okay, she will hear. Thank you.
Sir, Mr. Ifeanyi is here to see you.
Ifeanyi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let him in.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm very fine, sir.
Please sit.
Sir, and how is our beautiful wife doing?
Oh, she's fine.
That's good.
She's fine. Afiapon and Azupa?
I'm fine, sir. I'm fine. That is why I'm actually here. I know I have defaulted on the loan you gave to me. But please, sir, give me some more time. A lot of people are owing me. And your boys have refused to supply my last order because of the money loan. Please, sir.
Ifeanyi. Ifeanyi, let me ask you something. There were 5 of you from the village. I loaned 1 million naira each to start up something, right? Yes. And because you're my cousin, my very close cousin, I decided to give you some goods on credit. But as it is now, you've not remitted up to 20%. But others have remitted up to 50% each. But as for you, not even up to 20%.
My brother, you know a man has responsibilities. And my parents in the village and even my siblings.
If I just shut up. I paid 2 years rent for you. And I also paid for your siblings' school fees. Let me ask you something. I'm on Noburego Nenyagiki Jachumuai.
Bakwa. Brother, I know you have really tried for me.
Just look at yourself. Squandering money. Eating money anyhow. Enjoying yourself with women in Lagos. See the kind of watch you're wearing. See where you're spending your money?
Brother, Biko, you have really tried. But I will bring half of the money at least by next month. One of the persons I supply generators to, he promised that he's going to pay me by this month end. So I'm going to bring your money to you. Please, just some more time.
If I listen to yourself, if we're feeling Okoli. Anyway, my intention is to help young men like you to grow in whatever they want to do. By God's grace, I'll continue to do my best. Also, Zukwagi.
Oh, thank you.
I'll tell my boys to give you some goods on credit.
Hey, brother, thank you very much.
But listen, what I want you to do is to put your act together. Comport yourself.
I will.
Because the kind of news I'm getting from people about you, based on all these Lagos girls, it's not a good one. Nwata na-ata akara, na-atakwa egia. Ye bukwa say pass naka from this Lagos na back to the village if you don't take care.
Brother, thank you very much.
Anyway, on your way out, call Amaka for me.
I will. God will bless you. God will replenish your pockets. I promise you, I will not disappoint you.
You can go now, please.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Umaka maro no kesi abatega aderezi. They don't know.
I'm recording. Yeah.
You recording?
Mm-hmm.
Are you recording?
Amazing grace.
Are you recording?
I'm recording.
Are you recording? Babe, you know what?
What?
I love the way you dress. You dress so sexy. Your dressing is clean. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? It.
Why?
You know, some girls, when they got married and get into their husband's house, they start wearing like an old woman. No, it's irritating.
Okay, wait. Is that the reason you rejected all the girls Mama brought to you from the village?
Who told you that?
Mama told me, of course. And funny enough, she said to me, "You're actually lucky that my son chose you." She didn't know you were rejecting those girls because of the way they dress.
Oh, Mama is a gossip shark.
Phil.
Yes, why did she tell you all this? Eh? Oh, hey, wait. I can see both of you are using me to bond. Right?
No, come on. That's not true. You know I'll always be on your side.
That's why I love you.
Aww. And I love you too.
Love you more. What?
That reminds me. Mama said I should talk to you.
About what?
She wants you to mind how you give out to people. Listen, it's not a bad idea. She wants you to give to people, but she just wants you to be careful. Honey, you do things at your own detriment as well.
Mama,
she wants me to checkmate you, actually.
Mama and her pessimism. You know I love giving. It's my style. That's the only thing I love to do. You know, I want my community to be the best of all. I want to show the big men that always build long fences around their houses. That doesn't even care about their relatives. How to give. I want to show them how to give. I want to let them know that giving is the main thing. And you know what? The secret of the little that I have is giving. Yeah.
You know, you should actually be a motivational speaker, not a businessman. You are just wasting your talent. But trust me, you know one reason I got married to you?
No.
Another reason why I love you? Another reason why I can't live without you?
Tell me.
Another reason why you will live with me forever?
Say it.
Another reason why we'll never be separated?
Yarn it.
It's because of your heart. I love the fact that you give to people. I love the fact that you want to take care of everybody. I love the fact that you take care of your community. But you still have to put in mind what Mama said. Listen, she doesn't just want people to take advantage of your generosity. Okay?
I understand how she feels about the whole thing, I know.
So talking about giving, can I have some drinks, please?
Okay, I think I have to give you something more than
No, I was talking about yours from your glass.
I'll give you something more than this. Then after that, I'll give you this. Just watch.
What do you want to give to me? I know what you want. Stop.
So what do you
I know. Huh? I said I wanted it.
Oh yeah, take it.
No.
Okay. Okay, they've collected it, huh? Good. Prepare the other one. Yeah, immediately. You're in 5 minutes. It's okay. Yeah. Mr. Godwin, what's so urgent that made you to leave your office instead of calling me on the phone?
Mr. Philip, there is no better way to sugarcoat this issue. So I'm going to give it to you straight.
I'm listening.
Both of your containers were seized.
What? Why?
False declaration of its content.
Mr. Godwin, I've been importing goods for years now without hindrance. Why the change?
You remember the new Controller General I told you about the other time?
Yes.
That was appointed by the President. The man and his team is just trying to shake up everything. But not to worry, I have everything in place. I have made contact with someone in his inner circle who has promised to help.
But those goods are not contraband. I imported electronics and they don't have much duties. How do we...
What we should be talking about now is how to get your goods released. I heard the new boss said he is going to invite NTA to come and cover the destruction of all the contraband and substandard goods that were smuggled into the country.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Mr. Godwin, what am I going to do now? I can't afford to lose those goods.
I don't know.
Each of them is what? 20 million naira.
lose anyone.
Seriously, I don't know. The man I spoke with is demanding 5 million naira to help release your goods.
The money is too much. It's too much for Christ's sake. What do we do?
Right now we don't have option. Honestly, we don't. The longer we wait, the higher the chances of destroying those goods on national television.
Mr. Godwin, you see, I don't have cash with me now. And as you can see, all my money I tied down in those goods. In any case, I am going to transfer the money to you this night.
Okay.
Okay, so you just know what to do. Just know what to do.
That's all right. I have to be on my way now. I have other clients to meet as regards same issue.
Why is everything going wrong? What's going on?
I have feelings that this whole thing will be sorted out in 1 week time, okay? I'll see you.
Yeah, Alhaji, you'll be fine, okay? Just continue with your drugs as prescribed.
Now go to
Yes, come in.
Good day, doctor.
Oh, good day, Nurse Angela. How are you this morning?
I'm very fine, sir.
It's rude of you not to greet the patients.
I'm sorry, sir. Good day, Alhaji. You're welcome to Maldives Clinic.
I feel much better. Beautiful afternoon. Good morning, Neche.
Fine, sir. Doctor, you sent for me.
Oh yes, I sent for you. This is Alhaji Sani's folder. He's here for his regular checkup and his insulin injections.
You mean I should give it to the nurse on duty?
No, Nurse Angela. Alhaji here basically asked you to take care of him. In fact, he recommended you for a promotion for your good and diligent service here in this hospital.
I'm always here for my appointment. I never miss once appointment and I'm not so say because of her name. Go back over. Go much is a good girl.
Certainly, yes.
Thank you very much, sir. Please follow me.
All right. No problem, sir. All right. All the best.
Why do you want to take your injection? Your upper arm or your thigh?
Wallahi tallahi duk inda kike so zan takin nashi. Ko kuma for hand ko for sulia. Ko your wish is my command.
Your hand, please. Alhaji, please. 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 Stop this.
You know what I want. You know what I want. Eh? I will change your life in a flash power. I will light the light. I will change your life. I will change your life.
I have said this before and I'm not going to say it again. I don't want whatever good life you are offering. Okay. I'm a married woman, for crying out loud. How many times am I supposed to say that to you?
Okay. Amakuma will light a lie. This is Abundi. Most Nyalenya will keep us in Pavao. Eh? Your medical doctor will not be happy. Treat me, Pampa. Treat me, Pampa.
Your hand, please.
Gimareni Alhaji Usman Dambaba. Kai. Nyanya na ba ta da hankali.
Hey, my angel. How are you? Babe? What is it? Why is your face like that? Hey, babe. Come on, talk to me. Talk to me, you're scaring me. What is it?
I feel violated. I left work before my shift ended today.
Babe, you love your job. So what happened?
That Alaji tried to rape me today.
What? Now what happened? That Alhaji again? How dare he touch my wife? And what did the hospital do about it?
That is the problem I am having. My medical director wouldn't say anything. In fact, he is supporting his bad behavior.
That is rubbish. Babe, see, you're never going back there again.
I quit already.
Because nobody messes with my queen. It's not possible and it will not happen. See, babe, I am going to that hospital. You know what? I'm going to meet that doctor. He's going to provide that accomplice of his, that Alhaji. And I'm going to arrest them. I am going to sue them for sexual harassment.
No. Listen, my love. There is no need for us to do that. I already told you I'm not going back there, so there is no point. Moreover, this Alhaji you're talking about is a very influential politician in this country.
And then?
Listen, this man moves around with escorts, police escorts. What do you want the police to do to him?
Oh my God,
Nothing.
what rubbish.
I am just tired of his sexual advances to me.
I'm so sorry. Okay?
I gave him a dirty slap before I left there.
You did?
Yes.
That serves him right.
It was a shock to him. He wasn't expecting it.
Good. It's okay. I'm so sorry you had to pass through all this. I'm so sorry.
What's wrong? You've been tossing this food back and forth since I brought it here. I took my time to make your favorite. If you don't like it, tell me. I could make something else for you.
Babe, I am so sorry. I am just distracted. I'm not trying to make you feel like I don't like the food. Sorry.
Okay, this is not about the food. Because it's not you just eating the food. I've been watching you since you got back. My love, you've been staring into thin air. Moving around the house like a zombie. Listen. You know you can talk to me. Your silence is killing me. I need to know what is wrong.
Babe, I am having serious financial crisis.
What happened?
My container. My container is still detained at the wharf.
even after paying 5 million naira to facilitate its release.
Wait a minute. Are you saying the 5 million naira you gave to Mr. Godwin has gone down the drain? Like that?
Babe, I am confused. Babe, I am scared. I don't know what to do. My shop is empty.